The revolt began in fire. The men who forged the weapons decided to tend them. Fire and iron, the blacksmith resistance in Ghana. In the Empire of Ghana, gold made kings, but iron made rebels. In the 10th and 11th centuries, blacksmith clans feared for their spiritual powers stood at the edges of Ghana's authority. They shaped tools, weapons, and destinies. When Ghana sought to tighten control over trade and iron production, the smithing families resisted. They refused to join the workshops, armed frontier chiefs, and smuggled blades across the savannah. Arabic chroniclers like al-Bakri in 1067 noted rebellions in Ghana's borderlands. Rebellions often sparked by rogue ironsmiths who supplied weapons in the night. No armies marched, no banners rose, just the whisper of furnaces in hidden huts and iron tools slipping through the king's grasp. A quiet, burning rebellion. It was not a single uprising, but 100 small defiances. A resistance of fire and metal that weakened Ghana long before its fall, proved that empires are not only broken by war, but by those who forge power from flame.